Bachidar Singh, first to receive the Ashoka Chakra award for a supreme sacrifice in the operation to integrate the Hyderabad state. Havildar Bachidar Singh was born on 10th January 1917 in Lopo village of Punjab and was the only child of Sardar Singh. He had his education only up to 8th class, however he excelled in swimming and wrestling in his childhood. Right from his young age, Bachidar Singh was a nationalist and always wanted to join the army to serve the nation. At the age of 17 years, Bachidar Singh joined the army and was enrolled in the Sikh regiment on 10th January 1937. After completion of his basic military training, he served with this battalion in various places like Africa and Greece. He participated in the Second World War also and faced the enemies in South Africa. However, it was after India's independence in 1947 that Bachidar Singh proved his mettle as a soldier par excellence. Operation Polo, 13 September 1948. After independence on 15 August 1947, when Nizam of Hyderabad refused to join the Indian Republic against the wishes of the people, India launched a police operation named Operation Polo on 13 September 1948. The kill force of Sikh Regiment's 2nd Battalion was given the most important task in Naldat area, which was on the Sholapur-Secunderabad road, about 19 km from the state border. Havildar Bachidar Singh was leading the platoon. At around 4 am in the morning, the B company of the platoon set up blockades on the road. When 2 vehicles were seen approaching his position, Bachidar Singh ordered his soldiers to fire on the approaching vehicles. There was a heavy exchange of fire, but Bachidar Singh, in a show of bravery and leadership, finally captured both the vehicles and their escorts. On the same day, enemy soldiers took secure positions and attacked this platoon. Bachidar Singh, with great skill and determination, led the counter-attack on the enemy's forces. Bachidar Singh was moving ahead in the face of the enemy, and when he was about 30 yards away from the target, he got hit by a LMG burst in his thigh and fell. Despite in critical condition, Bachidar Singh crawled forward and threw 2 grenades on the LMG post and silenced him. Even though Bachidar Singh was severely injured, he refused to leave the battlefield and kept on motivating his men to press on the attack. Inspired by his courage and leadership, his platoon finally achieved the objective. However, Bachidar Singh succumbed to his injuries and was martyred. His personal example of unsurpassed value, grim determination, devotion to duty and leadership was an inspiration to all who saw it. Bachidar Singh was given the nation's first highest gallantry award during peacetime, Ashoka Chakra, for his conspicuous bravery, indomitable spirit and supreme sacrifice. A college in Punjab has been named after Bachidar Singh as Mahant Bachidar Singh College of Engineering and Technology. An area in Ludhiana has been named as Bachidar Singh Nagar on Gill Road, Ludhiana, to honor the first recipient of Ashoka Chakra.
Jai Hind.